We're trying not to
burping challenge.
Come on. Try not to take fall damage. Perfect. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, Dr. Pepper and Fanta inside. We mix Dr. Pepper and Fanta inside. My tummy hurts. We might have to use the rest of the doctor. I'm gonna go get the Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper, baby, it's good and nice, good and nice, good and
I think she got like a little fruit thing.
I think it was that.
No, she got a little like.
How do you know?
Like a little fruit, little cute fruit.
Oh, it's in there.
Yeah, get it.
You get it. I got the Dr. Pepper, baby.
I know.
It's good and nice. Big black pig. Oh. Don't drink it yet.
I'm thirsty.
Huh? Is that mine? Oh.
Refreshing.
I'm thirsty. Refreshing. You know how I eat fruit cups?
Look, I get it. I get like a spoon and like drinky kind of.
No, I get a fork. Drink it.
Bro, I'm about, bro.
My tummy hurts. My tummy hurts.
Bro. I gotta pee more than I have the throat.
No. Want it? Pat it. Boom, boom. Say boom, boom. Whoa! Make it out.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's not a laughing challenge.
No, you know how that sensation when you get water up your nose?
Yeah.
That's how it felt in my mouth when I
But I feel like I'm on fire.
Oh my god.
Wait, you think you gonna burp first?
We already burped 2 times. I'm just putting it in here. My tummy hurts, bro. I'm not taking. No, don't let it.
Not yet. Don't shock me.
I know.
Your tummy hurts.
That was a monster unleashed.
Water drunken. It's water drunken, okay? That's what it's called.
You eating your fruit?
I gave her some more.
She
How you
ate.
gave her some more?
I got the fruit.
Did you pour the juice out?
I already poured the juice
Hey,
out.
mommy.
I already poured the juice out.
It's still something in there.
She was screaming for some more.
Yeah, chill. Yeah.
You know what's crazy? We're burping on purpose, but the thing is not supposed to. We have to try not to burp.
Yeah.
This tastes like Dr. Pepper jelly beans. Or those. They have Dr. Pepper.
What is Dr. Pepper belly?
I just drank my soda.
Y'all, I did. He has Fanta. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay, I gave it to you.
Oh, why would you do that? I already burped.
Oh, I thought you said fart.
I said I already burped. Bro, my stomach hurts. Stop.
I'm trying to make you burp. My tummy hurts. Hey, hold on, stop. Hold on. I can't believe that stuff still works on little 10-year-olds.
It's stuck. It's stuck. Oh my god. Oh my god.
For a second, I thought a monster bird was on and you just looked down at it.
Did you hear that? One last word.
My tummy.